I want to, in this video, teach you how to cut and paste or copy and paste. Cut and paste means you click on a file and you're moving it from one place to another. But where you're moving it from, if you do cut, that file is no longer going to be in the first place. If you do copy and paste, when you move it, you're still leaving the file where it is, but you're putting a duplicate in the second place. Basically, this is how you do it. If there's a file, a picture, or something you want to click on, right-click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. It'll say copy or cut. Choose either option, and then you can minimize that screen, go to where you want to put that file, right-click on it, and right-click on the mouse where you want to put it, and then choose paste. So you just did copy, paste, or cut, paste. That's how you do copy, paste, or cut, paste, by right-clicking on a file. Now, there's another way to do it also. The second way to do it is you highlight the file that you want to move, and you go up to the top left corner and you hit where it says edit. And then from edit you can choose copy or cut. And then you go to the location you want to move the file to, or copy it, and then you should go back to edit on that screen, and then you click paste. So that's how you copy, paste, or cut, paste. If you have any questions about that, you're not sure, still not sure how to do it, send me a note and I will help you with that. Basically, it's pretty simple to cut and paste and copy and paste. Just remember, when you do cut, you're moving the file from that location, and it's only going to be in the next destination you paste it to. But if you do copy, then you're leaving the file there, you're making a duplicate in the second location where you're going to paste it to. I'm Mike Locascio from MSL Computer Service. I have a lot of videos that will help you with computer repair, and I come out with videos about 4 or 5 times a week, new videos on computer repair. If you want to consider subscribing to my channel, because there's a lot of videos that I come out with that will benefit you and your computer. And basically what my channel is about is I help people maintain their computers, I help companies repair their computer, and I help home users repair their computer. And it's all free, it's all on my channel, so make sure you tune in. This is Mike from MSL Computer Service. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.